Good day everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Paulo from Megaworld. In this episode, I will introduce a premium Megaworld project that is located very close to certain key locations here in the Metro. Please watch until the end of the video to find out more about this project located in one of the most prime addresses here in Makati City. Introducing Vion Tower and Vion West. Hi everyone! We are now in the actual site of our premium Makati project, Vion Tower and Vion West.
Vion Tower and Vion West is strategically located in EDSA, corner Chino Roses, Makati City, right in the middle of Dasmariñas and Magallanes village, one of the prominent villages here in the Philippines. We offer state-of-the-art smart home units and it has its own Megaworld lifestyle mall below. And in just few minutes, you will reach the new Senate building, your perfect target market for rentals. International travel becomes more accessible, opening up opportunities for business, leisure, and exploration. This could also mean less time spent commuting to and from flights. Proximity to an airport can increase demand for properties, potentially leading to higher property values. Properties near airports can be an attractive investment option due to their potential for appreciation. Since you're near BGC, future unit owners will surely enjoy the lifestyle benefits. Adding to your future destinations coming from Vion is the Uptown Mall. Future unit owners of Vion Tower and Vion West can engage in various community events and activities, creating a sense of belonging, either a concert or your favorite sporting event here in Mall of Asia.
Don't miss the opportunity to own a premium Makati address today. We offer no down payment terms from studio up to 2-bedroom units. Inquire now to know more about Vion Tower and Vion West.